In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn video reels quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing in linkedin.com. Once there, you'll need to log in, so go ahead and click on the Sign In option you see on the top right corner of the page. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to LinkedIn's homepage. This is where all your connections and feeds appear. From here, you'll want to navigate to your personal profile, which you can easily find on the top bar by clicking your profile picture or name. Once on your profile page, take a look around, as here is where you'll manage all your posts and activities, including those video reels we're focusing on today. Next, find the Posts and Activities section, which is usually located towards the middle of your profile page, right under your connections and highlights. This is where LinkedIn stores all of your activity on the platform. When you click on it, you will be taken to a page that displays all your recent activities and posts. Scroll through the posts and activities to find the particular video reel you're looking to remove. Depending on how frequently you post, this might take a little scrolling. Once you've located the video post you want to delete, look for the three dots typically found in the upper right-hand corner of each post. This icon gives you more options related to that specific post. By clicking on these three dots, you should see a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you will find Delete Post. Click on Delete Post, which will prompt LinkedIn to ask you to confirm your choice, just in case you might have clicked accidentally. Confirm by clicking Delete again, and just like that, your video reel is removed from LinkedIn. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a video reel from your LinkedIn activity. It's always important to manage your digital footprint and ensure that your social media profiles are an accurate representation of the professional image you want to project. If you have any more posts that need dealing with, just repeat these steps. Easy, right? Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial. If this video helped you, or if you've got other LinkedIn tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more useful how-tos. And until next time, happy LinkedIn cleaning!